Hello viewers, welcome to A to Z TechMate PK. In this video, I will show you how to fix internet connection issues in Windows 11. First, click on the search icon and type Device Manager. Open it, then expand the Network Adapters section. Find the network adapter you are using, right-click on it, and open Properties. Go to the Drivers tab and select Update Driver. Once the process is complete, close all open windows. Next, open the search bar again and type Task Manager. Launch it, then go to the Services tab and click Open Services. In the Services list, locate the required network-related service, right-click on it, set the startup type to Automatic, click Apply, then click Start and confirm with OK. Scroll further down, find Windows Update, open its properties, and once again set Startup Type to Automatic, then start the service. For the final step, open the search bar and type Settings. Open Network and Internet, then click Change Adapter Options. Right-click your network connection and select Enable. That's it. Your internet connection problem should now be resolved, and you're ready to go.